Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Neil and today I am looking at a new smartphone. This is a ZP980. It's a 16 gig, okay, retina screen. It's really fast and powerful. It's a great spec phone. We'll unbox it, see what we get inside, and then go through the spec, and then we'll bring the camera in so you guys can see what it's like to use. Okay, so let's make a start. Take the lid off, get some foam out of the way. First thing we get is the phone itself. Okay, so we'll take it out of the packaging, have a good look over it. This is the back. It's got like a textured back. It's made by ZOPO. It's a 5-inch screen. Extremely well crafted. The sides are aluminium, obviously a glass digitizer and a plastic back cover. So that's what the phone looks like. Then inside the box, let's see what we get. If I can get it open. Yep. Okay, the first thing we get is a user manual. We also get a nice case. Now this is a back cover straight leather front flip case. Stylish, looks good. We get that out of the packaging. We're going to put it on the phone so you guys can see. On the back it's got like a honeycomb, almost like a carbon fibre finish. Actually feels carbon fibre-ish. Front flap is good leather. Yeah, it's definitely leather. And then on the inside it's suede so it won't scratch your screen. So we'll have a look at that in a minute. What else do we get? Oh, yeah. We get a micro USB charging cable. We get a wall mount, or wall charger, sorry. We get earphones and mic. Now these are 3.5 jack. And then we get 2 batteries. Now I believe they're 2000 mAh, let's just check. Yeah, 2000 mAh. Okay, so what we're going to do, so we'll take the original back cover off. You start at the bottom, just lift it all the way around, it just pops off. Now this is a dual SIM, as you can see, and it also has a slot for a TF card. I believe it can take up to an extra 64 gigabytes, so massive phone. Okay, so let's pop the battery in. Really easy to install, and we'll just start clipping on the back cover. Okay, yeah, there we go. Okay, installed. Very easy, fast. Looks nice and stylish. Okay, we'll go ahead and take off this sticker and then turn the phone on. Yeah, so that's turning on. Now while that's firing up, I'll just run through the spec for you guys. Okay, we better wait for that. It is fast, I will say that. Okay, so the ROM is 16 gig, data cable is micro USB, the size is 142mm by 67mm by 8.6mm, its RAM is 1024 megabytes, the CPU model is MTK6589, what else? CPU is a 1.2 gigahertz quad-core. Rear camera is 13 megapixels. Front camera is 5 megapixels. Dual SIM. It's a 5-point touch screen. What else do we need to know? Its maximum storage extension is 64 gig, as I said, and the weight is 65 165 grams. It's running Android 4.2. Screen resolution is 1920 x 1080. And the headphone jack is 3.5. It supports GPS, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it comes in a multitude of languages. Okay, so we've got Indonesia, Malay, German, English, Spanish, French, Italy, Portugal, Vietnamese, Arabic, Thai, Chinese, pretty much every language you can think of, really. So that's pretty much the basic specs. There's a full description on the website, so you know you can have a good read for it if you miss something on what I've just said. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull the camera in so you guys can see this properly, how good the screen actually is. Okay, so we'll stop the video and just bring it in now. So let's turn it on. Open it up. As you can see, it's quite fast. We'll show you the resolution first. Hopefully you can see this, just moving the app around. As you can see, there's no problem anywhere on the screen. The resolution's really high. It's fast and it's smooth. Okay, so that's pretty much what the touchscreen is like. The speed of the phone flicking from page to page is good. We're going to some apps now. We'll play a game first so you can see the gaming quality and the resolution in a game. We'll turn it down just a little. There. As you can, I can tell you now, I'm not a brilliant gamer, so don't expect much, but I'll still play anyway so you guys can see. It's a really straightforward game. I'm not sure if you can see that at all, to be honest. Okay, so that's pretty much the picture quality when you're playing a game. Obviously, you hold it in a better position. I'm not holding it very well because obviously I need you guys to see. So that's a game. We can have a look at a movie just so you guys can see the picture quality on the movies. We'll pick a funny one. Let's turn that round so it's full screen. Turn it up. Hopefully you guys can see this well. That's pretty much what it looks like when you're playing a movie. Okay, so we're outside. It's another blisteringly hot day. I'll take a picture using the rear camera first. Okay. And then I'll swap it to the front camera. Try and do exactly the same. Hopefully I've got some good ones. Yeah, okay, so we go back inside and have a look at these now. So we turn it on and just have a look at the two pictures that we took. Well, I took several, to be honest. Going to galleries, going to camera. Okay, so these first three down here are the rear camera, the 13 megapixels, and the last three are the 5 megapixels. You can see in the color contrast the difference. So we go into them and just have a look, okay? So this is the rear one, the 13. So is this, and so is this. And now we'll look at the 5 megapixel one. As you can see, just a little darker, not quite the same picture quality, and resolution's not as good. But it's still a good picture, to be fair. Okay, so that's the quality of the camera. What we do now is we go back and end the video. So we'll stop now. So that was a quick sneak peek at what this phone is like to use on a day-to-day basis. The screen resolutions, the cameras, and the functions. I think it's a really good buy. It's a very good smartphone, powerful, fast, lightweight, and pretty good looking, really. I like the case as well. I like the fact that you've got this rib here. It's really nice to hold. It's a good weight as well, so yeah, it's actually a very good smartphone. So if you are interested in a new phone or any other gadget, then come to our website. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye bye.